Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from SONY Xperia 10.3 to XIAOMI device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones. Now tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, so service click, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on SONY. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now choose receive on XIAOMI device and send on SONY. Then tap on all of those dots and just send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this one photo. Click on send and tap got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on XIAOMI, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing camera at the code, but we can also just input this key and tap on receive. Now wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!